Hey, so today we're going to take a look at how we send our clients, people that you guys sell apps to, their welcome emails, the same kind of emails you've received from us. So over here in your dashboard on the left-hand side, you see a link called Auto Mail Content. So this is what you click, and over here you've got three emails set up: the welcome mail for your outlets, a password recovery email, and a resell email. This one will go out to anyone that you sell an app to. Okay, this is a password recovery. When people when they log onto the area where they enter their username and password, you can send them there's a link that says "Forgot my password." This is the email that goes out when they forget their password, and this is an email that goes out to a reseller of yours, should you have that type of account. So you have the ability to sell resellers underneath you, and then you can send welcome mails, specific welcome mails to them. So let's take a look at basically what it is. You basically hit the edit button here, and you'll see the content that's in here. You can put the title of the email that goes out, who it's coming from, the email it's coming from, and then you can manage this. You can put your logo in here, all that kind of stuff. This is the kind of stuff, this is what your customers will see. So their username, you've got the placeholders right up here, the username, password, their name, and this is the URL link, the link that they click to access their back office. Okay, so this is where you would manage that. Now, once that's been set up to the way you like it, you click on your Manage Apps and Resellers. This is where all your accounts are. And clicking this little email icon will send that welcome mail to your specific customer. And it's going to the email that you set up right here. Okay, so whatever email you set up here, when you click the mail icon, it automatically will send them the email showing them all of their account information. That's how you set up and provide your customers access to their back office. Thanks for watching.